Welcome to Dreamhome's Tour Luxury Designs channel, where luxury meets design. Today, we take you inside one of Los Angeles' most iconic modern mansions. A $25 million architectural masterpiece that redefines elegance, innovation, and lifestyle.
Step inside the light, where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls, every space a story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live.
Every corner has been designed to inspire awe. The play of natural light through expansive glass walls, the harmony of textures, and the balance between open spaces and intimate corners create an atmosphere that feels both grand and welcoming. It's a space where design meets lifestyle, where art meets comfort.
Speaks with grace, the signs a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow like curves in stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe, where beauty whispers you've achieved. In these walls of dreams, we rise, we heal, where passion paints what words can't feel. Luxury lives where peace is found, not just in mansions, in the sound of silence, stillness and scented air. Design your
Here, luxury is not about excess. It's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration.
luxury's life and so much more. Step inside the light, where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls.
If you've ever envisioned living in a home that reflects your aspirations, this is it. And today, you're not just watching a tour, you're experiencing a dream. Don't forget to subscribe to Dreamhome's Tour Luxury Design for more breathtaking journeys into the world's most extraordinary homes. Like, share, and leave a comment telling us what your dream home would look like. Your next inspiration could be just one video away.